In section 2.3, this is modeling with linear functions. So we're taking the linear functions and using them for word problems or for applications. So most of the time we still want it to be in slope-intercept form. And again, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. However, in the context of many of the story problems, m is going to be the rate of change. So a slope is a rate of change. And b is going to be your initial value. So number 1 says, Sonia is currently 10 miles from home and is walking farther away at 2 miles per hour. Write an equation for her distance from home t hours from now. So I'm going to call it d, so it has to be in functional notation. So d of t for distance. And she's currently 10 miles from home, so that's like my initial value. So that's my b. And let's use a highlighter. There we go. And she's walking further away from home at 2 miles per hour. So if the rate of change is 2 miles per hour, that's going to be 2 times t. And if the initial position is 10, it'll be plus 10. And this is in slope-intercept form, so this will be our answer.